Certainly. I'll provide you with a tailored list of some of the best MIG welders available, considering various needs and budgets. MIG, metal inert gas, welders are popular for their versatility and ease of use. Number 1. ANDELI 220V Semi-Automatic Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 250V is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for both household and professional use. This multifunction welder combines MIG, metal inert gas, TIG, tungsten inert gas, and MMA, manual metal arc, welding capabilities in one compact unit. ANDELI Flux Core Welder is a breakthrough machine, real 120 amp output current, strong input makes you fall in love with welding. IGBT inverter technology, utilizing the efficiency and reliability of multiple IGBT inverters, allowing a huge increase in duty cycle. The voltage and wire feed speed are automatically matched, and the current is automatically adjusted according to the plate thickness, which is suitable for beginners. Including a 3M MIG welding torch, the split torch is easy to repair and replace, and the wire feeding is smoother. The ANDELI MIG 250V is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile welding solution for various applications. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows users to tackle a wide range of welding tasks without the need for multiple machines. The semi-automatic nature of the welder makes it accessible to beginners while still offering the features and power that more experienced welders might need. The ability to perform gasless MIG welding is particularly useful for outdoor applications or situations where shielding gas is not readily available. The digital display and adjustable parameters provide precise control over the welding process, ensuring high-quality results. Number 2. HITBOX 3-in-1 MIG Welder Semi-Automatic Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 250V is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for both household and professional use. This multifunction welder combines MIG, metal inert gas, TIG, tungsten inert gas, and MMA, manual metal arc, welding capabilities in one compact unit. The ANDELI MIG 250V is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile welding solution for various applications. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows users to tackle a wide range of welding tasks without the need for multiple machines. The semi-automatic nature of the welder makes it accessible to beginners while still offering the features and power that more experienced welders might need. The ability to perform gasless MIG welding is particularly useful for outdoor applications or situations where shielding gas is not readily available. The digital display and adjustable parameters provide precise control over the welding process, ensuring high-quality results. While it's marketed as a household welder, its 258 capacity makes it capable of handling more demanding tasks, potentially suitable for small workshops or light industrial use. However, potential buyers should note that for heavy-duty industrial applications, a more robust, dedicated machine might be more appropriate. This MIG gasless welder machine will automatically control voltage and current to achieve a smooth arc by synergy function, best ideal for welding beginner. The built-in overheating and overcurrent protection system and the fan cooling system will keep dust and dirt out, thus extending the life of the machine. Number 3. HITBOX 200A 2T/4T Trigger Control for MIG Welding. The HITBOX 200A aluminum welder is a versatile and advanced multi-process welding machine designed for both professional welders and serious DIY enthusiasts. This high-performance tool combines MMA, stick, MIG, with and without gas, and lift TIG welding capabilities in one compact unit. Wire feed speed control. Welding voltage adjustment. Inductance control for arc characteristics. Arc force control for MMA welding. The HITBOX 200A aluminum welder stands out for its versatility and advanced features, particularly its ability to handle aluminum welding effectively. The dual pulse function is especially valuable for working with aluminum, as it allows for better control over heat input and reduces the risk of burn-through on thin materials. The LCD digital display is a significant upgrade from simpler models, providing clear and detailed information about welding parameters. This feature, combined with the synergic control, makes the machine accessible to users of various skill levels. The IGBT inverter technology ensures a stable arc and efficient operation. Number 4. HITBOX 200A 5-in-1 Semi-Automatic Inverter Welding. HITBOX's unique LCD display design for human interaction gives you accurate data display and makes reading easier and clearer without removing the headset. Easy to carry with a handle, perfect for outdoor maintenance, farm equipment, road equipment, and DIY. HITBOX Professional Wire Welder supports gas, mixed gas, and gasless function. The filler wire MIG welding machine works easily with 0.8/1.0 mm solid/flux wire, perfect for welding workpieces with a thickness of 1 to 8 mm. Suitable for 1.6 mm and 2.4 mm tungsten to weld 1 to 6 mm thickness. Largely welding stainless steel, sheet iron, carbon steel. It is necessary to obtain WP17V to use the welding lift wig. Please note that the WP17V TIG torch is not included in this package. Current 22-200 amps. 25/32/40 mm electrodes, all suitable MT2000, and excellent welding of 2 to 12 mm thick plates. Super easy to strike an arc, low spatter, stable current, and good performance. Number 5. Stainless steel weld bead processor/weld cleaning machine. Operates on both 110V and 220V power supplies. Suitable for use in various countries and workshop settings. Designed specifically for cleaning and polishing weld beads. Ideal for stainless steel welding applications. Works with welds from TIG, MIG, and argon arc welding processes. Versatile tool for various welding techniques. Optimized for cleaning and finishing stainless steel welds. Helps maintain the corrosion resistance of stainless steel. Interchangeable brush heads for different weld sizes and shapes. Allows for precise cleaning of various weld profiles. Can be used to polish welds to a high shine after cleaning. Improves the overall appearance of welded joints. This stainless steel weld bead processor is an essential tool for anyone working with stainless steel welding. It offers a quick, efficient, and environmentally friendly method of cleaning and finishing welds, improving both the appearance and quality of welded joints. Its dual voltage capability and portable design make it a versatile addition to any welding workshop or on-site toolset.